welcome back. This is the last video of soybean harvest 2025, so enjoy. Next load. I believe this is load number 5, something like that. So yeah, going in, pretty clean load, so this should go pretty fast. Up in the bin. Last I checked, we're like 2 rings full in the bin. After this, we're going to be probably close to 3. So 2.5 to 3. So yeah. Combine, we're getting real close to. We're getting on the last chunk of the field. We might get it done tonight. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I'm just going to get this unloaded. So good beans, very nice soybeans. They're not too dry yet. This is actually that's good. We're not losing so many. Feeding into the head very well. So that 915 is doing a great job. And so is that screener. And my second favorite tractor. And something flew onto me. So yeah. These are the screenings out of there. So, quite a few of them, but not too much. I've seen like 2 wagons full of screenings before off of soybeans, so this is actually pretty good. We've had a 300 bushel wagon packed full 2 years ago. That was quite a bit. So what I did last year was I put different screens on the screener, and she does a much better job now, and she doesn't put so many beans in the screening. So yeah. All right. get this thing out to the field. '15th gear and 16th. Man, look at that beautiful sunset. Looks nice. All right, there he is dumping. There's just a little bit left over there, and then that'll be it for bean harvest of this year. Hard to believe. This has been going by very fast. And that's thanks to just good conditions. It's been very warm, very dry for the past couple days. Very good. I mean, we had some pretty wet, dewy conditions earlier this week, but that really cleared out. So, all right. Well, it's officially time to say hi to the cat. All right, it got a little too tough, so we got hardly any beans left, but we got a few left, and we're gonna take them out tomorrow. So didn't quite get it all finished tonight, but see you tomorrow afternoon. All right, guys, final day of bean harvest. So just from right there to right there, not much, 10 passes. So we're gonna get her all done. Should all fit in this wagon. There's plenty of room in there, as you can tell. So, yeah. So yeah, this will be the last load of beans. I believe number 6 is what it is, something like that. So yeah. So the next thing after we're done with beans here, will be corn. This isn't our corn. Our corn's down there and over there. But the next thing will be corn. So that'll be the next thing we will be prioritizing. And so probably tonight I might even be able to put the corn head on tonight. So yeah, it's good to see harvest finally here, and we're almost halfway done with fall harvest, so that's good to know. We're getting done a little earlier with beans this year than we did last year, so due to just drier air. And last year around this time when we were doing beans, because we had so many weeds, it got tough real early, and we had to start real late, so we had only a short window during the day we could harvest. So that kind of hurt us a little bit, but we're doing better this year. Pods, crunchy. Beans are crackling. right, guys, I'm going to get these last few beans unloaded. That is it for soybean harvest 2025. Stay tuned for corn harvest. That's going to be next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.